Hey, what's up? Today is a great day to talk about one of the finest premium travel trailers around and unique toy haulers around, the Keystone Outback, aka my chalet. Keystone has been making travel trailers for a long time and put every bit of learned knowledge into the Outback. Let's check out some amazing floor plans right after we take a deep dive into what makes an Outback so special. Time to head inside and see some of the beautiful features. One thing to really emphasize about the Outback is the whole line loves pets. Every Outback comes with a pet kennel embedded into the master bed's frame, so your pet has a super comfy place to sleep on their own. Heck, while I'm talking about the bedroom, what do you say we stay there? Every Outback bedroom has a pair of reading lights, multiple outlets and USB ports, and TV prep. Moving into the bathroom, you'll find a pressed countertop, a roomy shower with a skylight, and a porcelain toilet. What to say about an Outback kitchen? Well, first off, a lot. Just look at those hand-glazed cabinets, would you? And that solid surface countertop is highlighted by a deep, single-basin stainless steel sink. A sink topped off in functionality via a high-rise faucet with a pull-out sprayer. As far as kitchen appliances, the highlights are the 3-burner gas range and the large 10 cubic foot GE fridge. Now onto the living area. Woo boy, let me tell you, there's a lot of excellence in an Outback living area. First, you get a dream dinette complete with Max Store, aka storage under both seats. You'll also get no carpet. What? Yep. Carpet is fun to walk on sometimes, but it can get very dirty very quickly, especially with pets. And you'll be spending more time lounging in the luxurious theater seats across from the entertainment center with its fireplace as it is. The entertainment center comes easy via the large 40 or 50-inch HD TV and AM/FM CD stereo with DVD player and Bluetooth. You'll get 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prep and the exclusive Key TV multi-source signal controller. Now, I ought to mention cooling and heating as they're fabulous in the Outbacks. The AC is a 15,000 BTU big blower with true racetrack ductwork like you find in a home. Warmth can certainly come from the fireplace, but in truth really comes from a 35,000 BTU furnace and the nifty in-floor heating ducts. That's a lot of Now, let's head outside. You get in and out of the Outback via the LCI solid step with the extra wide first step. That extra wide step is more peace of mind than you think once you use it. Trust me on that one. Every Outback comes with slam latch baggage doors for the pass-through storage and backup camera prep. Want an outside shower to get some of the outdoors off before you enter? Well, you got it. You'll also get an outside kitchen to keep the bacon smell outside if you wish. But let's face it, who does? Let's not forget one of the beauties of being outside is the sun. With an Outback, you can extend your battery's life by harnessing the sun's energy with the Solar Flex 200 energy system. Oh, one more thing. Sometimes you want to avoid direct sunlight because you're a vampire, and definitely direct rain. Every Outback has a lighted power awning with adjustable arms. I'll head into scoping out Outback floor plans in just a moment, right after we talk a little bit about construction. The ducts are joined together via the Tough Lock thermoplastic duct joiners, so no rust will occur. All wiring is color-coded to determine any issues quickly. Slide-outs sealed nicely via the True Fit slide construction, and the one-piece polypropylene heated enclosed underbelly keeps warmth in and critters like Bob out. The frame is a sturdy BAL Norco huck-bolted Z-channel. It's a lot of words. The roof, fully walkable, and the fiberglass exterior is pinch-rolled lamination with giant fingers. Now, floor plans. A note about Outback length and weight before I hit some of the floor plans though. They are all over 8,000 pounds in unloaded weight, and in length, pretty similar to hovering around 38 feet. Now, it's Outback floor plan time. First, let's look at one all set up and ready to go for the family, the 340BH. The 340BH is just a gorgeous bunkhouse with, as set up standard, room to sleep 9. In the rear is a private bunk room with a sofa sleeper, a pair of twin bunks and its own entertainment center. The living area has opposing slide outs, a massive skylight above a kitchen island, and a beautiful entertainment center with fireplace. You'll also get an outside kitchen with a nifty flip-out stove. The 330RL is for a couple who loves to occasionally bring guests, but mostly loves to venture out on their own. It's got a sleeper sofa on the rear wall, opposing slide outs, an amazing entertainment center with fireplace, comfy theater seats. Up front, the roomy bedroom includes a full-length closet along with washer-dryer prep. The 341RD is also designed for the camping couple. It can sleep up to 6 with the dual sofa sleepers located in the rear den, hence RD. It means rear den. The den, because I'm gonna say it again, has awesome theater seats across from the equally awesome entertainment center with fireplace. In the middle is the unique bench chair combo for the dinette. Up front, the roomy bedroom has the king bed in a slide. The uniqueness of the 335CG cannot be overstated. CG standing for cargo, and yes, this one is a toy hauler. The 335CG has a cargo carrying capacity of nearly 2,400 pounds. With its ramp coming off the back end, it's more of a traditional toy hauler, but the door is 56 inches wide with the garage area 65 inches by 100 inches. Perfect for a set of bikes or a motorcycle, maybe some kayaks. The living area has opposing slides and a sweet entertainment center. The rest of the back is filled with a flip-up sofa sleeper and a bunk bed above an entertainment center. The 335CG can sleep up to 6. When you're thinking about the outdoors, thinking Outback is a great idea. Any way you want to head to the campground with all the comforts of home, there's an Outback for you. You can check out all the Outbacks currently available at campingworld.com. And as always, happy camping.